Hello everybody, my name is Brittany. I'm going to go over with a lot of the supplies here. First off, let me tell you what I'm getting done. I am getting elective surgery. I am getting a VBL, 360 lipo, tummy tuck, chin lipo, arms lipo, everything. So there's a lot of things that I noticed that watching YouTube videos that they didn't go over quite everything that I feel like necessarily you would need. First, let me tell you a little bit about my background. I'm a nurse, so I'm in the healthcare field. So one thing is for sure, you really want to make sure that you keep your wounds as clean as possible. That is like mandatory. It doesn't matter if you're going to Mexico, if you're going to Beverly Hills. Aftercare is like the top priority. So I'm just going to go over briefly everything that I have here. My hand sanitizers, because you want to make sure that you keep your hands clean as possible. Also, you want to have Clorox wipes. You want to also keep the surface as clean. I have disinfectant spray. These are my vitamin B complex gummies. You definitely want to take these before and after. Also, these are Immunity gummies. I had to stop taking these because they have vitamin E in them. So my doctor recommended for me to take these after surgery, but I'm still going to keep them. Zinc, because this zinc really does help speed up your recovery. So just keep that in mind. Arnica gel. So the reviews on this say Arnica gel really does help in between, like when you're waiting to take your next pain pill. So I'm going to try this bad boy out. Dove sensitive skin. So I got the biggest one you could find because you definitely want to make sure you keep your body clean. Again, like I said, clean. So I got Dove sensitive skin since, you know, your skin is going to be very bruised and so forth. So, oh, also, so the reason why I'm opening this one on camera is because I bought a lot of stuff here that is used at my facility, and I don't want them to think, oh, she purchased that. I'm sorry that, you know, she might have stolen that from the supply room or whatever. So, wound care. Okay, so this is Medline Skin Integrity Wound Cleaner. So, you're supposed to spray this on your wounds, pat dry, let it air dry before you cover it. This is what my treatment nurse that we use at our facility. So, I looked at it and I figured, you know what, let's give it a try. Because I couldn't find this anywhere on YouTube, anybody talking about this. I was able to purchase it off of Amazon. Very fast shipping, and it was very inexpensive. I think I paid like maybe under, like maybe $16, $17. These are just gauze pads. You want to make sure you keep plenty gauze pads. Oh, these are just a few more of my compression stockings. So you want to make sure you have plenty of those because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be bleeding like crazy. So I want to keep my body as clean as possible. Also, this is Germ Shield. So it says it lasts up for 3 days. This is go ahead to, you put on your liposuction. Anywhere you have liposuction or open areas, you definitely want to put this on there. And it's supposed to clean any germs that go, that could possibly enter your wound or outside the area. So also, I found this on Amazon for under $5, so I went ahead and got like 3 or 4 of them. So, yeah, so let's put those there. Okay, so these are overnight Kotex pads. So I'm going, after I clean my wounds with my wound cleanser, I'm going to go ahead and apply these to go ahead and soak up as much drainage as possible. Excuse me, this is the guy is everyone's. And put this underneath my faja. So get the ones overnight ones because they'll last longer. And also, last but least, I'm hoping to have a real big booty, so I got Always Discreet women diapers. So I got 2 packs of these. They should last me for a while. I haven't tried them on yet, but they seem to be pretty flexible. So After the BBL, I definitely for sure will give my honest reviews about everything that I purchased and why it's important. So I got 2 packs of those. Also, this is a seat raiser. So this is after you get your BBL done, you place, instead I noticed a lot of girls talked about that they sit on their hands, they put as many towels as they can. Well, this was like 15 bucks, ladies. Instead of doing all of that every time you go to the bathroom, just use this seat raisers. It's very self-explanatory. You put it on a toilet seat and your booty slides over. Very easy. I tested this bad boy out and it's pretty sturdy. Pretty sturdy. So, happy to get that. Also, BBL pillow. BBL pillow is a must. I can't express that enough. Pretty much every doctor that I've talked to that I thought about going with really recommended having a BBL pillow, especially since I am going to be traveling long distance. I'm going from Turlock, California all the way to Tijuana. That's where my place of surgery. So I definitely don't want to be sitting on my butt for 8 hours. So BBL pillow. Also, this is pretty much optional for anyone who would want it since I'm traveling for long periods in the car. I don't want to be slumped over from side to side, especially since I'm going to be having a tummy tuck. I pretty much want to keep myself in alignment straight up and down as much as I can. So this is one of my pillows that I purchased from Amazon. Again, very inexpensive, and actually it's memory foam, so it's pretty sturdy, and actually it's pretty comfortable. So I'm hoping that on the ride back that this would really help me out. Also, these were kind of pricey. I think I paid like $95 for this. This is your memory foam board that's supposed to go underneath your faja, ladies, so that way you don't get liposuction burns. So this is something I feel like everybody wants to should get, because a lot of girls talked about that when their faja rolls, that their skin also, underneath their skin, it also started to fold and get very wrinkly. So you definitely want to get the memory foam, for your faja. I went with this one here. It was more expensive, like I said, but the reviews on it were pretty good. It's MD Fajas off of Amazon, and I paid about $90 to $95, so you pretty much get what you pay for. Also, since I am getting chin lipo, this is going to be my faja for afterwards. So I would just pretty much slip it over. Again, this one's pretty self-explanatory. I did try it on prior. It's pretty tight fitting, ladies. No lie, I didn't think that I was going to do the job, but this is pretty tight. I mean, this is pretty tight. So I'm actually really excited about this. This is another item that I found off of Amazon, and it's Orifix liposuction product. So look them up. I've tried it on as I slept overnight with it to see if it was doable. I didn't feel like I was choking, but I really felt like it was doing its job. Also, ladies, again, you want to keep yourself clean as much as possible. These are adult wipies. These are the same brand that I use at my facility. I was able to get a pack of sits off of Amazon for under $30. And also they're made with aloe vera, and they don't have perfume in them. So I would really recommend looking these up. Again, they're on Amazon, a pack of sits for about $25, so it's very inexpensive. I tested out the wipies out to get my son, and I noticed I would have to get 4, 5, 6, 7 of them just to kind of, clean my body. And I figured these are like wipies for a toddler or either infant baby. I'm an adult, so I need adult wipies. So these ones are really, really good. Afterwards, so since I'm going to be traveling for long distance periods of time, this is a female urinal. I know you're probably thinking, what the heck, but trust me. This one I found on Amazon for about 12 bucks. And I ordered an actual urinal cup, but I can't seem to, it didn't come in, or either I probably misplaced it. So let me show you guys what this looks like. And so, of course, I wanted to get pink. So a female urinal, definitely when you feel like, you know, I got to go pee right now. I can't hold it. I might not be able to get, and you don't want to be stopping at public restrooms and using the nasty bathrooms that thousands of people are using every single day. So definitely, ladies, whether you're traveling or not, purchase one of these. This was inexpensive. I paid maybe $12, if that. Okay, moving along. Black cotton panties. So I got 2 Ets because I'm really hoping big booty. So dang it, I should have got 2 Ets, but that's okay. I got all black cotton panties. You don't want to get pink. You don't want to get red. You want to get black because you're going to have to remind you're going to be bleeding like there's no tomorrow. You're going to be draining lots of fluid. So all black cotton panties. Also, these are just a few nightgowns that I got. Remind you, nobody's going to see you for a while. You want to be as comfortable as possible. So this is what I would be coming home with. This is, of course, my, since, you know, from the time I'm leaving the hospital, from the time I'm going to my car, people will see me. So I definitely will wear my black nightgown. These are just few miscellaneous items. I went to Ross and got, you know, some very loose fitting clothing items that I could be comfortable in. I not have to worry about like, oh my God, you know, you're not going to be trying to impress anybody. Trust me. Not for a long time. You see me, I look crazy. Okay, so went over everything down there. Okay, ladies, cannot stress this enough. So whether if you're sleeping in your chair, so this is my chair. I'm pretty sure you guys seen the BBL chairs. So actually, long story short, I purchased the BBL chair, the inflatable ones. I sent it back immediately because I noticed, ladies, one thing they didn't go over with, as soon as you try to get up out of the BBL chair, there's nothing for you to grasp. Like, you can't grab onto anything. So I noticed, since I'm getting a tummy tuck, I noticed myself bending over like this quite a bit. A lot of it was like I was almost like doing a squat, but the wrong position in a squat. And you definitely don't want to do that. So just my personal opinion, after reviewing the BBL chair, the inflatables, if you're getting a tummy tuck in a BBL like I am, I've gained 30 pounds for this surgery. I went from 140 to 170 pounds just to get this BBL. Well, I know I'm getting a little bit more than BBL, but I figured after doing all my liposuction, I'll be back to normal. My doctor's doing my arms, my chin, my upper back, my hips. I know he'll snatch my waist nice and tiny again. And I just want full hips and a really big butt. So by preference for me, I did gain 30 pounds. Now, I'm not telling everybody go online and start gaining weight, but if you see my before picture, I was pretty skinny. And once I heard, I could give a skinny BBL, that just didn't fit right with me. So, again, face masks. We're in the middle of a pandemic. You definitely want to make sure that you have face masks. Do not trust anybody, whether they're taking care of you, somebody that you know, or just anybody. Face mask. Keep your face mask on at all times. Make sure anybody's coming in encounter with, because your body is going to be very compromised during this time. Your immune system is going to be weakened. You definitely don't want to get COVID right after getting surgery, because it's going to suck like hell. I work in the COVID department at where I'm at, and trust me, it's hard already. And then people think, oh, okay, well, I'm 20, I'm 30. Trust me, that shit does not matter. I'm telling you from experience, that does not matter. Keep yourself protected at all times, ladies. Again, these are just some paddings that you definitely want to keep in your chair. Whether you're going to be laying sleeping in the bed, you're going to be in your chair, you want to keep everything as clean and sanitized as possible. These are the same ones that I use at my job, so I was able to find them on Amazon. They were very inexpensive. Actually, I was surprised how much stuff I was able to find off of Amazon. The reason why I went and got this brand, I did go through maybe 2 or 3 brands that worked. I noticed the ones in the blue pad, I just tested them out, one night with my toddler, and you know, I put a couple of chuck pads down while he was eating. He spilled his juice, and after, I mean, a half a cup of juice, ladies, it was pretty much almost done for. So these ones are made from Medline. Go on Amazon. They were very inexpensive. So I would recommend, well, it depends what you're getting. If you're definitely getting BBL, you're going to be bleeding a lot regardless. I would at least recommend, I had to get 2. So I actually I'm missing 1. So I actually got 6. They come in a package of 2. So I would say at least get 3. Just to be on safe side, because I'm going to put them in my car. I'm definitely going to be putting them all over my bed. I'm going to be laying them out before my nurse, who's going to be coming to help take care of me, clean my wounds. I'm going to be putting these out, ladies, and then spraying the surface and putting everything down. I don't want nothing touching the regular surface. So again, keeping everything very clean, sanitized, I feel will be the best, safest route to go. And last but least, I know you guys are probably wondering, what the heck is this? Now this is what I'm gonna be sleeping in for the next like 6 months, at least 6 weeks. So 2 months. So it seems pretty comfortable. I got plenty of chairs. What I'm going to do is, after I get my butt done, I will be cutting this out, you know, measuring from right, say about my upper back, so right up underneath my butt, making sure the area fits. I don't want it too big, but I don't want it too small. So my butt will be hanging, so my butt won't be touching no flat surfaces or, you know, or anything like that, because I don't want my butt just to get really, really, really flat. So I wanted, actually I have 2 of them, so I haven't cut it yet because I don't want to cut it right now, because of course, you know, my butt is, as you can see, regular size butt, but afterwards I'm hoping it's going to be a big jumbo butt. So I'll wait till after, what's the name of this chair? Floating, zero gravity chair, sorry. Zero gravity chair, ladies. That's the name. So this is my zero gravity chair. Don't go out and buy a brand new chair. They could go up to like $200. The cheapest one is like $125. I found 2 different sellers off of OfferUp. They sold me the chair for $60. So it was $60. That's really inexpensive. So you definitely want to go ahead and look this one up. So I definitely would recommend, you know, investing in one of these. And actually, the chair reclines all the way back. And actually, to me, it's very comfortable. Because after a tummy tuck, you don't want to be laying on your incision. You don't want to be sleeping on your side. I'm pretty curvy now. I'm just very thick. You don't want to be sleeping on your side and then have one side lopsided and one side all smooth and hourglass. So you definitely want to keep your body in a straight alignment as much as you can and keep all pressure off your butt. So this is my supplies. Everything looks a mess right now. That's because we're in the middle of packing to get ready to head to Mexico. Yeah, and part 2 will be the follow-up of how everything that I purchased, how it worked for me, and who's my doctor, and my results. So thank you for watching.